Welcome to Togile CRM. In this video, we'll walk you through 4 simple ways to assign or reassign leads, and how these same steps apply to other entities like deals, contacts, and tasks. Start by clicking on the Leads tab in the top navigation. Then, move your cursor to the 3 dots under the Action column of any lead. Then click on Edit. A drawer will slide in from the right. Here, you can update the owner by selecting the new user from the drop-down. Save the changes to assign or reassign the lead. You can also assign multiple leads at once. Just check the boxes beside the leads you want to reassign. A bulk action menu will appear. Then, click Assign to select the new owner. Click on Select Owner. Once selected, click on Update. You can even directly assign an owner from the Leads table. Just hover over the owner column and click on the pencil icon beside owner name. The Edit Lead field panel opens up. Now click on Owner and choose a new owner. Once selected, click on Update. Another way is by opening the Lead Detail view. Click on the lead's name to open the page. Based on your role permissions, you'll see an editable owner field. Click on Edit. Click on Owner and choose a new owner. Once done, click on Update. The same methods work across all other entities: deals, contacts, companies, tasks, and meetings, making user assignment seamless across your CRM. And that's it. These are the 4 easy ways to assign or reassign leads in Togile CRM. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.